Fitness with Meg. Today we're back with another yoga block workout, and today we're going to be doing 3-minute yoga block, rowing the boat, but we're going to be sitting down the entire time. So if y'all are ready, grab your yoga block and let's begin. Okay, so we are going to begin now. Grab your yoga block in your hands, and we're just going to row the boat. So we're doing this kind of figure 8 movement, and kind of like rowing the boat too. Imagine you're in a little canoe or a kayak or something. We're just rowing, rowing, rowing. And if y'all do not have a yoga block, don't worry, that is totally fine. You can do this workout without it. You just use your arms together like this, like you are in a boat. So just keep rowing that boat. We're doing this whole workout for just 3 minutes today. Short little workout. Great for if you don't have a lot of time. Sometimes we're just so busy that we don't have a lot of time to work out, but 3 minutes, you can squeeze that in at some point in your day. So we're just rowing, rowing, rowing. This move is great for if you just want to sit down. You can do this when you're watching TV. You can do this sitting down on the floor like I am. You can do this in a chair, on your couch, or even in your bed if you can't. So you can also do this sitting crisscross applesauce, however you want to do it. So when I'm rowing the boat, I'm leaning back just a little bit to get my abs and obliques working here. But if you just want to do this when you're sitting down here, you can just do this movement as well. This also works your arms. So a double whammy move here, working our abs and our core, which is great. Perfect for if you can't really move your legs, you're sore. Just keep moving that block back and forth. Do those figure 8s, that infinity symbol here. Keep rowing and rowing and rowing. Y'all got this. I like my cute little workout buddies here. They have their little spring bandanas on. They're looking so cute. Cinnamon's over here rocking my favorite color, perfect shade of blue. And Lily has her cute little pink bandana on, perfect and springy, especially as we're getting ready for Easter. And just keep rowing that boat and go. And twist to the side and twist. So you can really modify this move however you need to. If you need to make those little figure 8s smaller, you can do that. If you want to make them really big and wide, you can do that as well. And you can really lean back with it if you want to. You can lean back every time. Or if you're just sitting on the bed, you can just really just focus on your arms here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe if you are not already. And a big thank you to my cute little workout buddies here, Cinnamon and Lily. And I look forward to seeing y'all on Friday. Bye!